Hey Mom, have you seen my phone poppet, my carrot poppet, my unicorn poppet, and my remote control poppet?
No, I haven't. But guess what? I got level 10,000 on Candy Crush.
Ah.
Isn't that exciting? I have no life. I'm a loser.
You're not a loser. You just like the game.
But anyways, no, I haven't seen him anywhere.
Well.
Maybe you left him outside, like on the trampoline when you were playing on the trampoline. Why don't you go check the trampoline?
Hey Mom.
Yeah?
Can you watch these for me?
Sure, I'll watch them for you.
Make sure no villains get them.
I will.
And also, keep an eye out for my avocado one too. That was my favorite.
Your avocado one's missing too?
Yeah. It's so soft too, and it's like clicky.
Yeah, I will keep a very close eye on them. Oh.
Mom!
Yes! 5,001. Yes, Carly, yes. Here, just set them down right there. I got it. Just set them down right there and we're good. Yes! 5,002. I am the master. Oh, hi, my little green jelly bean. Aren't you the cutest? You're looking so cute today. Oh, you're the cutest. I can't stand it. I don't have any chicken nuggies yet. I'll get some more. Something happened to them. No, I promise. It's okay. I'll get some more today. I promise. I'll get some more today. Baby Yoda, don't use the Force. Baby Yoda just take Carly's poppets and squishies? She's gonna be so mad at him.
Hey Mom.
Hey.
Who am I gonna be mad at?
You're gonna be mad.
Where are my toys?
You're gonna be so mad at the mailman because he didn't bring us any mail today.
Mom, tell me the truth. Were you playing Candy Crush and lost my poppet?
I didn't lose them, but something happened.
Were you playing Candy Crush?
No.
What were you playing?
Jelly Crush.
Mom, why did I hear you? But then why did I hear you scream? Yes, 5,002.
That's the level I'm on in Jelly Crush.
But you just reached the level 5,000 in
I
Candy
play a
Crush.
lot. All right, Carly. Something happened to your poppets, and I know what it was.
Who?
It was Slappy. Slappy came in here, and he said, if you don't give me those poppets right now, I am going to control Carly. And I said, no, no, no. We're starting off 2022 without being controlled by any creepy evil villains, and that's what happened.
Slappy, I should have known it. He's gonna be crushed.
Slappy, come on out. Huh. Slappy's not being lazy in 2022, apparently.
Yeah.
But the bed is still kind of ruffled. Where would he be? Have you seen him?
No.
I haven't seen him either. Slappy!
Slappy, get away from her!
Slappy! Slappy! Were you gonna hurt the doll?
I want to be a good boy in 2022. Maybe Santa will visit me. I was brushing her hair.
It does look really good.
Slappy. That was nice and unexpected.
What about my poppets? My mom told me that you took them and you came in there and you said, if you don't give me those poppets, you're going to control me.
Yeah, Slappy, what about that?
I couldn't do that. I did not take your puppets. I was busy making a homemade Christmas ornament for you.
Aww.
Slappy. This is very sweet of you. Okay, Carly, I can't do this anymore. It wasn't Slappy, it was Baby Yoda.
No, Baby Yoda? Here, continue brushing her hair. It looks great. Where's Baby Yoda?
I don't know, okay? So, like, I was sitting right here.
Playing Candy Crush.
Yes. And then Baby Yoda came in. I don't know which way he came from, though. But then I looked, and he was, like, right here, and he was doing, like, oh, the little cutie face. You know the little cutie face he makes? Mm-hmm. And then he used the Force, and then the poppets were gone, and I was, like, frozen in shock, and I couldn't... And, yeah. And then I don't know which way he went, but I'm pretty sure that he took that. And I'm sorry. He couldn't have gone too far. Maybe he went this way. Yeah. He seems to like the kitchen. So he's looking for chicky nuggies.
No, it's too far.
No.
The fridge?
I don't know. Baby Yoda.
Maybe.
Little Grogu. My little green jelly bean. Where are you? I don't see him anywhere.
Oh no.
Baby
Hey,
Yoda.
my avocado poppet.
What? Oh, see, you didn't lose that.
But it wasn't there yesterday.
I don't know. That's weird. Maybe he went outside to play.
Hey, wait, watch.
Maybe you didn't lose them. Are you playing tricks on me?
No, but it just, I don't know where they were.
Maybe he went outside. Baby Yoda.
He freezes his butt off. It was snowing today.
We did have a few flakes. Baby Yoda.
Here, let me look.
Do you see him out there?
And it was really windy and all the neighbors' trash cans.
It's cold. I don't think Baby Yoda would
Feel
go
my
outside.
foot now. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on yours.
No, thank you.
It's cold.
No, thank you. No, ma'am.
Oh man, oh man.
Where else would Baby Yoda be?
The closet?
He wouldn't go in the villain's closet, would he?
If whoever's enters this closet's a villain.
No, Baby Yoda. Are those all your missing ones? He just had too many chicky nuggies. Yep, there's the squishy.
Baby Yoda. I can't stay mad at you. Oh.
I know, you're just a naughty little baby. Did you just say Stitch is better?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
He is.
You can talk like Stitchy Bear for 24 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Let's hear it.
That's a good idea.
Do you think you could talk like Stitch for 24 hours?
Duh. Rather than that.
Oh my gosh, guys, tell us if you want us to do Carly talking like Stitch. What? You are? You think you could do that all day long?
Yes, I can.
Are you sure?
Dun, 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 dun.
Say Ohana means family.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. Da, da, da.
Is those all your missing ones, Carly?
Yep.
See? It's not. It's okay.
guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, bell. We'll do it 24 hours talking on sticks. I want to really bad.